Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam bag and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This was definitely sent to me in PR, did not pay for this, so hopefully this month is a good month, but you guys have been here for a while on my channel, you guys will see that we have not had the best of luck with Ipsy in terms of the boxes being that great. So if you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, well, then definitely keep watching. Okay, so I'm actually kind of surprised I still get Ipsy, only because I pretty much shit on them every video. Don't get me wrong, I'm super appreciative that I do get sent this in PR, but I'm still a paying customer. Now, I did cancel my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but I still just have Ipsy Glam Bag come in. But the reason why I canceled it is because I was so tired of my boxes being super disappointing, and the PR boxes haven't been that grand as well, but it's still fun for me to get because then I get to turn around and give back to you guys, and I like unboxing them. Whether I like them or not, it's fun to unbox. And at the end of the day, I am still like super appreciative for Ipsy for gifting this to me. Also, in case you guys are wondering what's on my eyes, you guys will see this in tomorrow's video because I did film that first, and now we have this one, but this is the one you're gonna see first. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this box. Alrighty, so this month is called Ipsy Show Your Colors. It says summer's coming in hot, turn up the heat with bold styles and vibrant shades. Will show what makes you one of a kind. After all, there's no hues as unique as you. Also, I want to say Happy Pride Month! Happy Pride Month! I'm excited. So, first things first, we got refreshments. I almost dropped this box. We got Ipsy refreshments. I just received these in my BoxyCharm box because they were gifting them to everybody. And some of you guys have told me to try these razors. Guys, these razors are just not my style. Like, I like the razors that have like the soap already on it. That's just my preferred style of razors. These ones do not, even though some of you guys have said that you guys really enjoy these. I think it's fantastic that you do, but I just know myself and I really wouldn't get a use out of these razors. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this into No Waste Wednesday because I just wouldn't get a use out of it. All right, now to dive in. So let's go ahead and open up this box first. First off, let's go ahead and open this bag first. This is a cute little bag. It's like a honeycomb. I think it's super cute. Definitely in time for the summer season. So the first thing I see we have is Milk Hydro Grip. So if you guys did not know, I recently tried out Milk Hydro Grip for the first time. I want to say this year, like in January, and I freaking love that primer. I use it every single day. I went and bought the full size version of it because I love it so much. So I'm so excited to put this in here. I think it's a fantastic primer, and I'm excited to give it back to you guys because that's a really great primer. Next, they put a little Tarte Man-Eater mascara. This is so cute. Super cute. And the wand itself is massive compared to the physical like applicator. Like, look at that. That is freaking huge. That's exciting. I don't know if I ever tried this particular mascara, so I'm definitely gonna have to give this one a try. It's so funny because I just unboxed a Tarte box yesterday on my channel, and so many of you guys told me to reach out to Tarte because if you guys have watched the video, you guys saw that my products came in damaged. I did, and I'm still waiting to hear back, but you guys would be happy to know I did it. I was really anxious to do it, but I did it. Next we have something from Bad Habit. This is a Wake Things Up Matcha and Mint Morning Cleanser. It says you can't wash away those 2 a.m. texts, but you should still wash your face. Okay, that's kind of a cute little sell. I feel like I've heard Bad Habit before. I just don't know whose brand this is, but that's really cool. I like how they have like a morning wash. They also threw in something from, I don't know who this is from. I think it's Belle and Argent. I don't know. This looks to be like it's a lipstick. It says for Wednesday Pinks. Ooh, interesting. And this is how the product looks. It's definitely not a shade that I would typically get into, but I think it's really cool they threw that in here, and I'm getting my fingerprints all over that. I'm so sorry. But that's nice. And last but not least, they threw in a little Dew of the Gods Froze Mini. This is Iced Rose Body Scrub. If anyone remembers this point, if anyone remembers, I unboxed this not too long ago on my channel, and it was a fiasco. see why when I saw this, I'm like, oh no, not this again. It smelled so good, but oh my God, did it get everywhere. It got everywhere. It took me forever to get my whole desk cleaned and the carpet, and it was just a mess, but it's pretty packaging though. Pretty really packaging. So that is everything we got in our little Ipsy Glam bag plus. This was only $13 for this bag, and definitely not bad. I think the bag itself is worth $13 to me. I think it's super cute, and it has like a little orange slice. I did not know that. That is so cute. Okay, that's awesome. I like that. All right, now we're moving into the $27.99 Ipsy Glam bag, and the first thing we have is this little makeup bag right here. This is like my little Santa sack, my little ho 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 bitches moment, and this has like little icicles. Not the cutest design, but I definitely do get a use out of these because at the end of the day, whenever I send out No Waste Wednesday items, I always put like all my small little sample stuff in here, or I just group together a lot of the items and just put it in here because it just makes it easier for me to pack your box. So these definitely do get used for sure, but I wouldn't necessarily use them for like makeup storage for me. All right, so the first thing I see, we have, what is this? This is a pixie light. It's supposed to go on your phone like so, and it's supposed to be like a little light. It's probably, oh, I'll be goddamned. Definitely not a bad light at all. Okay, that's kind of, oh, look, Inception. That's kind of cool. That's exciting. That's actually really cool. Thanks, Ipsy. Oh, and it flashes. Oh, it flashes. How do you turn off though? It goes even brighter. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, I'm going to keep you at my desk. That's actually pretty nice. Oh my God, Ipsy, thank you so much. That's freaking awesome. All right, next we have something from Ciate London. This is Cranberry. This is a 9-piece eyeshadow palette. Not bad. That's actually not bad at all. Very pretty colors. I like this little shade right here. I think that's really cool. This definitely reminds me so much of like the little Huda Beauty 9-pan palettes. Nice. Next we got something from Loris. Just an eyeshadow brush right here. Doesn't have any much else to say other than it's just an eyeshadow brush. We also got Dr. Brandt. This is a triple antioxidant face cream. I haven't seen Dr. Brandt in one of these boxes in so long. You know, so funny, for the longest time, I only ever used Dr. Brandt products because I used to get it nonstop in Ipsy and in BoxyCharm. I used to love it so much. So definitely a really great brand. That's kind of cool to see that in here, actually. It's been so long. So welcome back, Dr. Brandt. We also got these cute little face sponges from Hip Dot. Oh, these are super cute. Definitely perfect to get into the nitty gritty of the nose, which, by the way, my nose is disgusting right now because it is peeling like there's no tomorrow. So foundation does not want to stick on it. Setting powder is just a joke on it because you can, like, in person, I don't know how you guys can tell on camera, my forehead is peeling badly, my nose is peeling, and it looks great under makeup. Fantastic under makeup. But something like this would actually be really nice to get into like the nook and crannies of your nose or in your eye area. Very cute little sponges. And last but not least, we got something from Dr. Zenovia. This is a hormonal dermatology. This is a hyaluronic acid plus peptide serum, and this firms, nourishes, plumps, and tones skin. I don't think I've ever heard this brand before, so it's kind of cool that it's in here. Brand new brand, it seems like. This is how the product looks itself. Not bad. Not bad at all. So we seem to have gotten 2 skincare, two makeup tools, and 1 makeup product in here for the $27.99 bag. Definitely not the worst box I've seen from Ipsy. Definitely not the best. I like to see a ratio of, like, 3-to-2 for like 3 makeup, 2 skincare. But I definitely don't think this is the worst bag in the world. And I still really do like the fact they threw like a little light in here. Super cute. And I liked this little makeup bag right here. This was freaking awesome. So definitely not the best boxes from Ipsy, but I'm definitely not mad about it either. I think there's some products in here I can generally really get a use out of. And there's also some products here I'm excited to give back to you guys with. but I think Ipsy has improved slightly this month. I really do. They kill it on their Luxe boxes. Like, I really do love their Luxe boxes. I think those are like really where it's at when it comes for Ipsy. So it's exciting to see what was in here, and I definitely don't hate it. I don't hate it at all. I think the light kind of saved it, although I'm not sure everybody gets the light. I hope everybody does get the light, because if they don't, that's kind of shitty. But yeah, definitely not bad at all. So this is just my quick video for today. I do apologize for it being so short, but these boxes tend to, these unboxings tend to be really short because there's only so much I can do with them, especially since I don't get a lot of makeup in them anymore. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, so I do post 4 to 5 videos a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, R for Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, a huge thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. That will show what you are, that as unique as use. Also, I wanted as hydro get for the first, so if you guys did not know, I recently tried milk itty bitty gritty, and something like this would be really good to get in the